Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to stretch letters in CapCut. Here are the steps to stretch letters in CapCut on your mobile device. First, open CapCut app, then tap New Project. Choose a video or image to use as a background. Then tap on Add. Tap the text option in the bottom toolbar. Then tap Add Text. Type your desired text or word. Then tap the empty screen to confirm. Tap on the text layer in the timeline to select it. Pinch or drag the corners of the text box on the preview screen to stretch or resize the letters horizontally or vertically. Now, let's go to animation to find the stretch animation. Here, search for popping candy, then tap to choose it. Use the slider to adjust its duration. Moving it to the right will make it longer, or move it to the left to reduce its duration. Once you're satisfied, tap the check mark and export in the top right corner when you are done. Take note, while CapCut doesn't have a direct stretch tool, adjusting letter spacing and scaling the text box manually achieves the same effect visually. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.